The arc and cube taps have been designed to easily dispense drinking water with sophisticated operation and continuous flow options. The arc and cube can be installed on a font or a sink and should be installed in a position where they're easy to use and dispense drinking water. Let's take a look at their simple installation now. The arc and cube taps can be installed with the standalone font. This font is specially designed to cater for the long reach of the tap and is mounted separately from the tap. Using the templates supplied with the font, drill the hole for the font and the arc or cube tap. These holes are pre-drilled. Fit the supplied threads to the bottom of the standalone font. Now fit the font to the bench using the supplied washers and nuts to secure it. Connect the drain hose to the font drain connection. The last step is to fit the wire mesh drain cover. There's a concave and a convex side to this cover, and the convex side goes to the top. Once that hole has been drilled, you'll then need to grab your arc or cube and feed the USB cable and hoses through that hole. Once you've completed that, we need to go under the bench to finalise the installation. To install your arc or cube to a sink, the first step is to drill a 35mm hole. Once that hole has been drilled, you'll then need to grab your arc or cube and feed the USB cable and hoses through that hole. Once you've completed that, we then need to go under the bench to finalise the installation. First, secure the tap nut. You can see the USB cable and hoses have been fed through the bench top. Feed the USB and hoses through the washer and through the nut. Tighten the nut onto the thread of the tap. You may need to hold the arc or cube tap on top of the sink to tighten it completely. The arc and cube taps come with colour-coded hose tails attached. These need to be fitted to the command centre using the silicone hoses provided. You can now fit your boiling to the red marked hose, sparkling or chilled to your blue marked hose, and vent to our white marked hose to complete the installation. So there you have it, the simple installation of your arc or cube. For more information and other helpful videos, please visit zipwater.com.